everyone, this is Jackie Williams, and in this video I want to share with you a project using the 5 new in colors. So we have Secret Sea, Cloud Cover, Strawberry Slush, which is a returning color, so check your stash, you may have that one. We have Darling Duckling and Timid Tiger. Now, I'm not always a fan of using all 5 of the new in colors all on one project. They're not necessarily designed to tone together like the color families like neutrals, brights, and subtles, but sometimes they do work quite nicely together. So in today's video, I just want to share with you a quick project using the 5 new colors and the Pretty Florals bundle. So we've got this 2-step stamp set, which I'll show you momentarily, and also the dies which fit around these images, and also we have some standalone dies. So let's get stamping. I'm going to use my stamp mat because these are photopolymer stamps. So let's pull that out again. For this flower, I'm going to use this fill image and that detailed image. And I will use Pretty in Pink and Strawberry Slush. So I will do the outline first in Strawberry Slush. Let's get that out of the way. And the reason why I do the outline first is because the darker color is going to be much easier to see when we need to stamp over the top. Let's just do something like that. Now, I want to share with you another little tip. When you need to stamp, particularly the more solid images, and especially if your ink pad is quite juicy or brand new, same thing, it would be juicy if it's new. If you take your bone folder and just move some of the ink, it will all move back, so this is just temporary, but if you just move some of that ink out of the way, then when you stamp, you're going to get not only a lighter image, but a lot more crisp image. And this is so light, you probably can hardly tell, but it will, I'll do it again a few more times so you can see. So as I was looking through this image, it's much easier to see that darker outline rather than if I had stamped the light pink and then tried to line up the dark pink over top. Okay, now let's grab our scrap paper because these ones I'm going to cut out. So I'm going to use Timid Tiger and I'm going to stamp the trio of flowers. Now these detail parts are just lines, so it's okay that the ink pad is quite juicy. Now for the peach pie, because I have to say that this one isn't a color I've used a ton, so I'm just going to move some of that ink away so that I get a really clean image, but also maybe just a bit of a lighter image. Stamp over the top. Beautiful. And then for the Darling Duckling, we're going to 2-step stamp, but with just 1 ink pad, because there's not really a color that pairs with Darling Duckling. So I'm going to stamp that full strength without moving any of the ink away with the detail stamp, and then on just a little section of this ink pad I'll just move some of that ink to the side, and like I say, it will disperse back in a short time, maybe an hour or something, and then just stamp over the top, and you can see the color difference just by doing that. And that way you can get several tones out of the 1 ink pad. Okay, so that is what those in colors look like, and paired together with some colors that coordinate quite well. Then you would cut those out with the dies, and I'm just going to show you the finished card. So I've stamped those pink flowers down flat, and then the other ones I've die cut out and put those up over top like this. And I have used the Strawberry Slush, Darling Duckling, Timid Tiger, and then I've used Cloud Cover for this background, and then accents here and here of the Secret Sea and also in the gems. Now that's the stamped version. Then I thought it got some pretty dies in this set too, so I then just tried another version with the dies. So I've got Pretty in Pink, Strawberry Slush, same colors, Peach Pie, Timid Tiger, and then Cloud Cover and Secret Sea. And then I just used the Darling Duckling there in the gems. So that's one way that you can use all of the 5 new in colors all together on a project quite successfully. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're enjoying these new colors as much as I am, and I look forward to sharing more with you. And if you don't have them already, that they are on your wish list. Please be sure to leave me a comment, share with your friends, and of course, subscribe. This is Jackie, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.